Okay, everybody be quiet. We're about to record. Okay, I'm Ashley. This is Kylie. This is Abby. And that's Dalton. This is my family. And we're going to sing Amarillo Sky.
Dalton ain't your family.
Yes, she is. She's my family. Don't listen to her. She doesn't know.
I know this song.
He gets up before the dawn, packs his lunch in a thermos full of coffee. It's another day in the dusty hay. The sparky things are wearing down his body.
Y'all are messing me up.
And this is where the price of gold. This is the rain he's ever sold. But he's still holding on. He just takes the tractor another round and pulls the plow across the ground. Ends up another prayer. He says, Lord, I never complain, I never ask why. Please don't let my dreams run dry. Underneath this Amarillo sky. Going back in '83 sure did take a toll on his family. But he stayed strong and carried on, just like his dad and granddad did before him. All his years, every night he prayed, please let my wife and children grow. 'Cause that's all he's ever known. He just takes the tractor another round and pulls the plow across the ground and fills up another prayer.
Take it away.
He says, Lord, I never complain, I never ask why.
Please don't let my dreams run dry.
Underneath Amarillo sky. And he takes the tractor another round, another round, another round. And he takes the tractor another round, another round. He says, I never complain, I never ask why. Please don't let my dreams run dry. Underneath Amarillo sky.
So cute. We love you, duh.
Okay, love you guys. Love you.